Do you think that winning a lottery is just a game of luck? Well, what if I tell you that it's a myth? Stephen Mendel in 1960 proved it wrong by winning 14 jackpot lotteries over a period of time. And Stephen was not an astrologer or even a lucky guy, but actually, he was an accountant. What? Yes, you heard it right. A simple man with having a knowledge of mathematics can become a millionaire. Today in our video, we are going to show you the story behind 14-time lottery winner Stephen Mendel. It all started in 1960 with an accountant who was not happy with his $80 per month wage and was also on the other side was a math freak and was frustrated about his salary to feed his family. So he wanted to create an algorithm to win a lottery. It took 3 years for him with working every waking hour to succeed in it. Mendel called this algorithm as combinatorial condensation, with which he claimed that in a lottery with 6 total number of winning, he would accurately predict 5 out of them. After those 4 years of hard work, Mendel with his 3 friends bought the lottery in which only 5 matching numbers required in order to win the lottery. Mendel thought to get a second rank, but surprisingly he won the jackpot. Mendel won $19,000, which was equivalent to his 18 years of salary. Now Mendel had enough money to live a better lifestyle than he had in Romania. After traveling to a number of countries, in 1980 he finally settled in Australia. And then Mendel, with getting an advantage of his new Australian citizenship, had an opportunity to buy plenty of lotteries. And luckily, the lottery laws of Australia were good enough to make Mendel's lottery business pretty huge. Mendel till now had huge money, but was a little percentage of what he is going to get in his future lottery business. Now let us dive deep into Mendel's lottery business that made him millions. Mendel started his new business by having a new algorithm which is fit for UK's lottery system. Mendel started his research for his new formula and ended up having even more simpler than he had before. The algorithm said that if you want to win every time, you only need to buy all the number of combinations that were there. Sounds a little crazy, right? But his plan was so huge that it made an whole operations of getting 2,500 investors in it. His plan included 6 steps. The first one was to calculate the total number of combinations in the lottery. The second one was the jackpot should be 3 times as large as the number of combinations. Well, it should be, because there were a tons of combinations resulting to having tons of lottery tickets. The third one was the most difficult of all those 6 steps. It was to raise money to buy every single combination. Now, because there were a lot of tickets which need to have a lot of money to buy, Mendel faced difficulties for approaching investors for his operations. Mendel had to give investors their proportion of their winning price. The fourth one was to print out literally millions of tickets. Because the combinations were so huge, it was obvious to expect that much tickets to be printed. The fifth one was deliver tickets to the official dealers. Now you must have wondering that was that operation legal? The answer is yes, because the lottery laws at that time were totally different. And the Australian government was also confused by knowing it. The sixth step was to take the prize. Though having such huge operations, Mendel have to give most of the winning money to the investors, with Mendel living with only a fraction of that money. So here's the end of the video. If you like that mathematical genius, leave a like and make sure to subscribe so that you can watch our future videos on some more weird geniuses.